Hello my dear students, welcome back to your own channel VA NEET Academy. So as per our pattern, you all know that today it's a time to upload top 10 MCQs on chromosome. Yesterday we saw a descriptive video on chromosome. So today's video is on top 10 MCQs. So section A will be as usual NEET based previous year question and previous year question patterns, and section B will be the NCERT based classes questions. Okay, so let's begin now today's class. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and lipid, DNA and proteins, RNA and proteins, proteins only. What do you think it is made up of? It is made up of DNA and proteins. Okay, so in one of the previous videos I have told you already, DNA is clubbed with protein, especially the protein called as histones. Need not worry about the names and all, but for now DNA plus protein makes chromosomes. Okay, so during cell division, chromatin fibers condense to form what? Ribosomes, lysosomes, chromosomes or vacuoles? What do you think? So chromatin condenses to form chromosomes. So DNA plus protein makes chromatin. Chromatin condenses to form chromosomes. Okay, so next question. The primary constriction of a chromosome is called telomere, chromatid, centromere or chromosome. The primary constriction, remember what is the primary constriction called, this portion? It's called centromere. Okay, that's your centromere. Okay, the terminal ends of the chromosomes are known as kinetochores, centromeres, telomeres or chromomeres. What is it called? It's called telomeres. Okay. Okay, the last one, a chromosome with the centromere exactly in the middle is called acrocentric, telocentric, submetacentric or metacentric. What is it called? Centromere exactly in the middle. So it is metacentric. We have seen it is V-shaped where the two sister chromatid arms are of the same length. Submetacentric, one sister arm is shorter than the other one. Okay, the shape is here, this is V shaped, this is J shaped. No, this is not J shaped. Acrocentric is J shaped, isn't it? Acrocentric is J shaped. Submetacentric is L shaped. Remember? So acrocentric is J shaped where the one of the sister chromatid is very small and the other one is quite longer. Submeta, it is slightly towards the off center. Okay, so it is like L shaped, and metacentric is exactly of the same length, and telocentric is I shaped where the centromere is exactly at one end. It is not present in any of the arms of your chromatids. Okay, students? Okay, hope it's clear. So next is the section B, which is your NCERT based questions. Okay, yeah, the two identical halves of a replicated chromosomes are called what? The two identical halves of the replicated chromosomes are called sister chromatids. Okay, which type of chromosome has the centromere slightly away from the middle? Just now we saw slightly away from the middle, off center. It is metacentric, submetacentric, telocentric or holocentric. It is submetacentric. Okay, which type of chromosome has the centromere near one end? Which type of chromosome has the centromere near one end? You can see the question. Yeah, it is near one end. Concentrate on the question statement. Okay, so it is not acrocentric, it is telocentric. Okay. I'm sorry students, I'm sorry for the confusion. I don't know, I'm absent today from the, very sorry. It is acrocentric and not telocentric. Okay, because the statement says near one end. So, it has to be acrocentric. Telocentric is always on the end. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So, next question is, I'm sorry for the confusion. In humans, the total number of chromosome in a somatic cell is, in humans, total number of chromosome in the somatic cell is 23, 44, 46 or 48. What is the right answer? The right answer is 46. Okay. So, remember the question is total number of chromosome and not the total number of pairs of chromosome. If it was a pair of chromosome, then this was the right answer. But it is the total number of chromosome in somatic cell is 46. So, pay attention to the question very carefully. Now, this is where students usually get the wrong answers. The main function of a chromosome is ATP synthesis, protein synthesis, transmission of hereditary information or photosynthesis. The right answer is transmission of a hereditary information. Okay. So, hope the class was clear, and these questions will help you practice your NEET preparation. Thank you students, and come back tomorrow for the revision test number 4, as tomorrow is Sunday. So, as all of you know, we keep posting our question session in the community post of our channel. So, for that you need to subscribe so that it is displayed in your device as soon as I post it. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive the questions on your device. Thank you students. Do like and share also the video with your friends. Thank you.